6 minus 7 gives us negative 1. And again, here we have 6 minus 7, which again gives us negative 1. And negative 1 times negative 1 is equal to positive 1. Because negative times negative is positive and 1 times 1 is 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here, according to the order of operation PEMDAS, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, and the second thing we need to solve is exponent, and then we have to solve the multiplication or division, and finally we have to solve addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? So in our problem here we have a parenthesis, right? This is a parenthesis, and we have a multiplication, right? So for those of you who don't know, if a number is next to parentheses, that means multiplication, right? So we have one parenthesis, one multiplication, and two subtraction. So we have to do the parenthesis first, and then the multiplication, and then finally we have to do the two subtractions. That is the right order. So 6 minus 7 gives us negative 1. And the problem becomes 6 minus 7 times negative 1. And now we have to do the multiplication before the subtraction, because multiplication has higher priority than the subtraction, right? So 7 times negative 1 gives us negative 7. And 6 minus negative 7 is equal to 13. So the final answer to this question is 13.